fancy restaurant. Okay, wait.
Well, there's the traffic for Saturday night in Pigeon Forge. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway Saturday evening. And there's a lot of people around. Going to Gatlinburg. Rain seems to be over. It's 78 degrees. And we'll be in Gatlinburg in just a couple of minutes. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so we made it so far into Gatlinburg. Nothing like today. If you get a chance, check out the earlier video, Gatlinburg Saturday 1, and you'll see that it took me a half an hour, 31 minutes, to go from the entrance where we just passed all the way to light number 3, which is right at the apex in Gatlinburg. Traffic isn't that bad now. Man, the rain was coming down. You'll see that on the video. And of course, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Always do that. And share. Don't forget to share. Everybody should share. There's Hillbilly Golf. They got a line tonight. Yeah, the rain has let up for now. I don't anticipate, not saying it's not going to happen, but I don't anticipate any more rain this evening. That can change drastically, especially in the Smoky Mountains. It could be, and it already has happened in the last 3 days to me, I could be in one part of town and it's perfect, next part of town and it is pouring. And that is a literal statement. It does happen. That's what the Smoky Mountains is all about. Unpredictability. So if you're coming up here tomorrow on Sunday, you'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. I'm going to try and rewash my towels. When I got home, they were soaking wet. Now when I left, the sun was out. The sun was out and I go, oh cool. Put the towels out. I try to separate the loads. Towels, whites, colors. I do the laundry. I give Miss Marie a break. She doesn't need to be doing everything. She keeps the house really clean and I got to do my part. I like to cook, so I cook a lot for her. She cooks a lot for me. She made me a breakfast burrito this morning that was fantastic, full of great veggies. Oh, it was so good. And chicken. She had put strips of chicken in it. It was a breakfast burrito. It was really, really good. And she whips that right up now. When I met her, she couldn't, the can opener was about the only thing she knew how to use. But you could see the traffic in Gatlinburg on a Saturday evening, and in a couple of minutes we'll be at the apex, so don't go anywhere. Alright, so we made it to the apex. Very happy about that. Only took 12 minutes. 12 minutes to get from the entrance to here. Unlike earlier. It was amazing. A lot of traffic, a lot of people. I got the windows down. Yep, all the windows are down. Doors are locked. Always the doors are locked. Always. Just the way I am. Scoot over here. I don't want to be in the left lane. Definitely a busy night tonight. Okay, here we go. Well, that light didn't stay green very long. No, sir, it did not. And Akista has a bunch of people there. It's not packed. That's always good. Okay, here we go. Here we have both cameras, 2 cameras tonight. Here's the left camera, and here's the right camera. There you go. Somebody in front of me is smoking the weed. The weed. The devil's lettuce. And I'll go back and forth periodically from left to right. So you kind of get a view of the entire downtown area. You can see the humidity in the air by the headlights. See that strip? That's the humidity that's in the air.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Well, there it is, another successful ride through Gatlinburg. This time on a Saturday night. Yes. Yes. And a nice crowd as well.